Welcome to the official channel of Career Plan, your free personalized career planning tool. Did it ever happen to you that you worked hard on something but did not get any credit for it? It can be stressful and frustrating. Today, we are going to learn about why this happens and can this be due to office politics. Meet Joe. He was brought up to be a good person, always doing the right things and following rules. Joe always does what he says. One day, there was an important meeting scheduled by the boss. Joe and a few of his co workers were called in. A potential customer was interested in a solution, and the team had to commit to the project. The boss needed everyone's opinion. Joe was the domain expert, which means he knew a lot about this project. Joe also had an excellent track record, meaning he always did his job well. But this project was a bit tricky. There was a good chance to deliver it, but the only problem was figuring out how quickly they could do it. The customer wanted to know the timeline, but Joe did not want to promise something unless he was sure that team can deliver it. Here is what happened. The boss asked Joe, "Joe, what do you think? Can we do this project? It will make our company huge." Joe thought for a moment. He was unsure and said, The problem is that it might take some more time than the customer wants. There are some technical and non technical risks. Joe was a good manager and knew a lot about the project, so he could think of all the risks involved. Suddenly, Martha jumped in and said, "We can do this. Let us say yes." Martha is Joe's co-worker. She has less experience than Joe. She does okay at her job, not the best, but not too bad either. Now Joe is a little upset. He did not like being interrupted. He wanted to explain the whole situation and risks involved before agreeing to the project. But the boss got what he wanted and the meeting ended much sooner. Boss accepted the project. Joe took full responsibility of the project. The boss told Joe to ask Martha for help if needed. The project was Joe's hard work. Though deadlines were aggressive, he somehow managed. It went okay, just like Joe predicted. There were some delays, but the customer had business changes and did not complain much. Joe was expecting appreciation from his boss for his hard work. Surprise! Instead of Joe, Martha got all the credit. Joe did not know how to respond. He cribbed how unfair the world and the workplace politics can be. What happened? Many people at work have the same problem as Joe. There was a mismatch between what boss wanted and what Joe communicated. The boss wanted confidence and assurance, not data. A lot of people have plenty of data, but they wait for the boss to make the decision. They are not used to making decisions themselves. In Joe's case, boss was under a lot of pressure and did not have time for the full story. Being afraid to make decisions is a big issue. Many people hesitate too much to make a decision. They are very cautious and then do more than expected. They underpromise and overdeliver. But this leaves the main risk with the boss during the project. They think it is smart to do it this way, but for the boss, it adds more stress. The boss also wants someone to share the mental burden. Whoever shares the mental burden gets a good share of the reward, no matter who actually did the work. It is more about understanding people than about office politics. If you think it is all politics, you won't find a way to change things. Understanding this helps you improve the situation. It is about changing your beliefs and behavior, not dealing with politics. Check if your behavior matches what we talked about. If you have similar stories, please share in comments. Then, what is the best way, you might ask? Is it okay to always side with the boss and agree to everything even if there are risks? This need not be. Empty promises do not work in the long run anyway. If there is too much delta between promise and delivery, issues happen. Be smart to read the room, take few calculated risks and make a backup plan to address the risks. In the end, combination of hard work and smart work gives best results. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.